Hello everyone. Today we have a very useful video. If you are worried that Windows 11 is secretly recording everything you copy and paste, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to disable the hidden clipboard history and cloud sync features to protect your passwords and sensitive data immediately. Let's get started. First, open your Windows Start menu. Type Clipboard Settings into the search bar and press Enter to open the menu. Simply toggle the switch for clipboard history to the off position and turn off the suggested actions toggle as well. This step is crucial because leaving this on allows Windows to secretly store a permanent searchable database of every single thing you copy, rather than just safely holding it in temporary memory. If you want to see exactly what Windows has already recorded before you turn it off, simply press the Windows key and V at the same time to open the hidden clipboard interface. Next, while you are still inside that same clipboard settings window, look further down the page. Find the option labeled Clear Clipboard Data. Simply click the Clear button right next to it. Doing this instantly deletes the entire backlog of copied text, files, and images that Windows has already stored on your system, ensuring no one can access your past activity. Finally, open your main Windows Settings app and click on Accounts. Select Windows Backup and scroll down to Remember My Preferences. Expand that menu and make sure the box next to Other Windows Settings is completely unchecked. Turning this off prevents your private clipboard data from being secretly synced to Microsoft's cloud servers, ensuring that your copied passwords won't be exposed even if your Microsoft account is accessed from another device. If you don't see the Windows Backup option immediately, simply use the search bar at the very top of your main Settings app and type in Remember My Preferences to jump straight to it. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.